Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fantastic update on Telegram Web that makes it easy to view all the PDF files shared in your groups. If you're part of a busy group chat and want to keep track of important documents, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to web.telegram.org. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen, ready for you to explore. Next, locate the group where the PDFs have been shared. You can scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to find the specific group you want. Once you find it, click on the group name to open the chat. Now that you're in the group chat, look at the top of the screen for the group's name. Click on it to open the Contact Info panel. This panel provides a range of options related to the group, including media files, links, and documents shared by members. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the Files tab. Click on it, and you'll see all the files that have been shared in the group, including PDFs. This section neatly organizes everything, making it easy for you to find the specific document you need. As you scroll through the list, keep an eye out for the PDF files. If you see one you want to download, simply click on it. This will either open the document in a new tab or prompt you to save it directly to your computer. It's a hassle-free way to access important documents without digging through countless messages. In summary, viewing shared PDFs in your Telegram groups is now simpler than ever.